She wore red dresses with her black shining hair. Oh, she had my baby and caused me to care. And coldly she left me to suffer and cry. Oh, she wore red dresses and told such sweet lies. I never knew him, but he took her away. And on my knees like a madman, for vengeance I pray. While the pain and the anger destroying my weak mind. Oh, she wore red dresses and left the wounded behind.